Here's the solenoid. Here's my setup. I'll show you the routing, and then I use this. I got these T-fittings and a reducer from O'Reilly. The solenoid is 3 parts basically. It's off your engine harness, the plug there, this port, and then this lower port right there. Basically, the upper port, or the middle of the solenoid, is simple. It travels up through here to your intake manifold at 7 o'clock, if you want to call it that. The lower port is a little more complicated, but it's easy enough. It goes through here, and none of these lines are OEM. I've just used lines from O'Reilly. I think this is 5/30 seconds. Anyway, that lower port wraps around, goes to this T fitting. Going left off that T, it goes to back here, this pipe right here, and that goes to evap, the lower, then follows your firewall to your gas tank. The right side goes up, and then I used a reducer. This side is smaller, gets wider into the purge valve. This is an OEM Subaru line from whatever. It goes up, it's about twice the diameter. It's quite a step. The purge valve, according to Naziak, the arrow points towards the inlet right here. Does not go to this inlet fitting, it goes to this inlet fitting. If this arrow is pointing the wrong, if I start it and I get a code and I have to flip it, I'll edit the video or post it in the description, because online on Naziak, I swear every other comment said one way and then the next one said the other way, but then someone mentioned they had a stock WRX and the shop manual said the arrow points to the inlet. So there you have it.